Welcome to Smart Money YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss all you need to know about HippoCaps IPO, which is also known as TrekkingToast.com Limited. Before going ahead with the video, we would like to request you all to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell notification so that whenever we upload a video, you get a notification in your smartphone. Don't forget to like the video. Okay, let's start. Let's know about the business of the company. HippoCaps, basically a brand of TrekkingTours.com Limited, is a travel aggregator platform which offers cab rental services to customers through their website hippocaps.com and their mobile applications, that is HippoCaps. The company has more than 1,500 vendors and more than 4,000 registered vehicles for intercity services. They also cover approximately 200 cities across India. Taxi aggregator industry in India is a unique and diverse industry. It has a huge potential to grow. Basically, these companies do not own the vehicles. They only coordinate between the customers and the drivers using technology like GPS and GPRS. You may see in the last 4 to 5 years, travel aggregators such as Ola and Uber has taken a huge market share. In this industry, Ola and Uber are the big players who has a combined market share of 99%. This is the website of HippoCaps where customers can book their cab requirements. They also have a mobile app. Now let's discuss about the company. The promoters of the company, Mr. Sahil Agarwal and Mr. Sagar Agarwal, are the founders of the company. This company started in the year 2012 with its registered office in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Let us see the shareholding pattern. Mr. Sahil Agarwal has 28.85% of shares and Mr. Sagar Agarwal has 25.86% shares. Then we have 3 more persons who have the remaining shares. This is the shareholding pattern at present before the IPO. Now let's have a look at their financial statement for the past 3 years. So you can see that their top line, that is their income, has decreased in the financial year 2020 compared to the previous year. However, they have a net profit of 2.5 lakhs. You can see in the previous 2 years, they have reported a loss of 43 lakhs in the financial year 2018 and 106 lakhs in the financial year 2019. As we know that this is a startup company and in the initial years, there are a lot of investment in startup companies, especially a travel aggregator company. So basically, they have not much of profit to report till now. Now let's see the objective of the issue. The company is planning to collect 4.5 crores from this IPO, and in their red herring prospectus, they have mentioned that they will invest 3 crores in strategic initiative and investments, 40 lakhs for repayment of their debts, and the remaining they have not mentioned, which we can assume that for general corporate purpose. Okay, now let's come to the offer details. Basically, the offer price is 105 rupees per share. Open date of this IPO is 18 August 2020 and close date of this IPO is 20 August 2020. Issue size is 4.57 crores as I mentioned earlier, and minimum application is 1,200 shares. You have to apply for minimum 1,200 shares. Basically, your minimum investment will be 1,26,000, 1,200 shares for a price of 105. Maximum retail subscription is 2 lakhs, which is basically same for all the IPOs, and retail allocation is 50% of the total issue. Face value of the share is 10 rupees. The number of shares they are going to offer is 4.35 lakhs. Then the shares will be listed in BSE SME platform. Okay, let's have a look at their SWOT analysis. Their strength: they have experienced and qualified management team, well-trained drivers, reasonable fares, which is basically for all travel aggregators, clean and air-conditioned cabs, and dynamic pricing. The price keep changing depending on the demand and supply. Then let's have a look at their weakness: lack of suitable and educated drivers. This sector is highly unorganized sector and high working capital requirement, dependence on internet, and basically moderate return on fund invested. You cannot expect very high return in this business. Then what about the opportunities? Growing urban population. Obviously, people nowadays look for cab services through apps, and the market for travel aggregator is growing. day by day, increase in internet penetration, which actually helps their business, wider market, and increased influx of tourists, which we may not see at this moment due to the pandemic situation. Then the threats, varying government regulation. The government regulation controlling the cab aggregator keep changing, and that is basically a threat to their business. Increased competition. Ola and Uber, the market giants, has captured more than 99% of the market share. It is very difficult for them to penetrate this. Price war. Obviously, the price war between the travel aggregators and the pandemic situation. Due to current pandemic situation, there is an impact on their business, which is applicable to most of the businesses. So we have discussed all you need to know about HippoCap's IPO. We have shared all the details with you. You have to take a call whether you want to invest in this IPO or not. Please consult your financial advisor before investing. I hope you like this video. Kindly share this video so that more and more viewers can watch this video. Thank you.